The Tossici-Bolt case. Livia Tossici-Bolt, 64, found herself at the center of a legal battle in Bournemouth, UK. Her alleged crime? Breaching a buffer zone around an abortion clinic. She was accused of violating the Public Spaces Protection Order by engaging in activities deemed detrimental to those seeking abortion services. The case, heard by District Judge Orla Austin, sparked national debate about freedom of expression and protection of vulnerable individuals. Tossici-Bolt's actions were seen by some as a challenge to the rights of women seeking legal health care. The court's decision to convict her highlighted the complexities of navigating sensitive social issues. The verdict forced a deeper examination of free speech boundaries in a society with deeply held, often conflicting values. The Tossici-Bolt case serves as a reminder of the challenges faced by democratic societies in upholding individual liberties while safeguarding the well-being of all citizens. Section 2. Bournemouth's buffer zone, a line in the sand. The buffer zone surrounding the Bournemouth abortion clinic established to protect women from harassment became a point of contention in the Tossici-Bolt case. The PSPO, designed to ensure safe access to healthcare, prohibits certain activities within the designated area, including protests and the display of anti-abortion materials. Tossici-Bolt's actions, while presented as offering support, were deemed to be in direct violation of the PSPO. Her presence within the buffer zone, coupled with her vocal opposition to abortion, was viewed as potentially intimidating and distressing to women seeking medical care. The court grappled with the delicate task of balancing Tossici-Bolt's right to express her beliefs with the clinic's obligation to provide a safe and harassment-free environment for its patients. The buffer zone, representing a physical manifestation of this balance, became a symbol of the tension between these competing interests. The establishment of buffer zones, while controversial, reflects a growing trend towards prioritizing the well-being and safety of patients seeking healthcare. The Tossici-Bolt case highlights the ongoing debate surrounding these zones and the challenges in defining the boundaries between free speech and harassment. Section 3. Across the Atlantic, U.S. reaction and free speech concerns. The Tossici-Bolt case quickly transcended national borders, attracting significant attention from the United States. The U.S. Department of State expressed concerns about the potential chilling effect on free speech. U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance criticized the UK's stance on safe access zones, arguing it stifles open dialogue. Vance's comments reflect a sentiment within U.S. society that views speech restrictions as a threat to liberties. The case has also become a point of contention in UK-U.S. trade negotiations. The U.S. stance highlights potential diplomatic tensions from differing approaches to free speech and abortion. Section 4. Voices from both sides, support and condemnation. The Tossici-Bolt case has ignited a firestorm of debate, with passionate voices emerging on both sides of the issue. Tossici-Bolt supporters, rallying behind the banner of free speech, argue that her conviction represents a dangerous erosion of fundamental liberties. They view the buffer zone as an overreach of government authority, infringing upon the right to peacefully express one's beliefs. Conversely, organizations like the British Pregnancy Advisory Service, or BPAS, applauded the court's decision, emphasizing the importance of protecting women accessing healthcare from harassment and intimidation. BPAS maintains that buffer zones are essential in ensuring that women can make personal medical decisions free from judgment or pressure. The case has become a lightning rod, illuminating the deep divisions within society regarding abortion and the limits of free speech. The passionate arguments from both sides underscore the complexity of navigating these sensitive issues and the need for thoughtful, nuanced dialogue. Section 5. The road ahead, UK-US relations and the global debate. The Tossici-Bolt case, with its international implications, raises critical questions about the future of UK-US relations and the global debate surrounding freedom of expression. The US government's vocal criticism of the UK's approach to safe access zones highlights the potential for diplomatic strain between the two nations. The case also serves as a microcosm of a larger global struggle to reconcile competing values. As societies around the world grapple with issues of free speech, access to healthcare, and the protection of vulnerable groups, the Tossici-Bolt case provides valuable insights into the challenges and potential pitfalls of navigating these complex issues. The outcome of this case, and the subsequent responses from governments and civil society, will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the way we think about and address the fundamental rights and freedoms that underpin democratic societies. The Tossici-Bolt case is not merely a local dispute, it is a touchstone for a global conversation about the values we hold dear and the lengths to which we are willing to go to defend them.